Hello everyone, I'm Laura Cook with the Posh Life with Laura Cook. I'm so excited because I got my Posh kit and I'm ready to share with you guys what I got in my Posh kit because I'm going to make some of them into samples. So if you need a sample, I'm your gal for that. So just write me and I'll get you a few samples, and who knows, maybe you'll love them and buy them. So let me open up my box and we can see the possibilities of samples. See? My Posh box is all polka dotted. And see, the starter kit. Okay, now the first item is my Perfectly Posh shirt. You get your own shirt. They come in different sizes. I put mine on because I wanted to see how it fit, and also it's just too cute not to try on, especially for this video. So let's see what else I got in my big box of Posh stuff. Samples and more samples. These are always nice because if you want to just hand them out, you can, and it kind of gets the product out there, and so people can try it instead of guessing if they really do like the product. So we'll start with the End Mend shampoo and conditioner. These are good for if your hair is dried out or if you have split ends like me. It helps fix your hair. You leave the conditioner on for 1 to 5 minutes, and I'll put the information on this video just in case you are curious about these products a little bit more. So I have the BFF, Best Face Forever, and also the Night and Day You Are the One. This is a wash. You don't need too much of it, just a small pea size and some warm water, and you wash your face and voila, a clean face it just hydrates your skin and makes it feel good. And then we have the Night and Day You Are the One. You can follow up with this after this. It's a lotion. Both of these are vegan blends. They're really nice, and I'll put the information up for you so you can get more of a feel for it and see if this is something that you would like. Let's see what else I have in my box. Oh, the BFF, Best Face Forever. This seems familiar. I wonder where from. I'm actually really excited that I got this, so I can, after I'm done with these samples, I can make more samples in case there's a lot of people who want to try the product. I'm curious to see how this stuff smells. Actually, it smells really good. It's supposed to smell like peppermint, grapefruit oil, and aloe vera. And I think it smells more grapefruit than peppermint, but it does leave that good peppermint smell to it. I really like that, and I'm excited to wash my face tonight with it. Next we have the Honey Honey Healing Body Cream. Now I have tried this before. My grandma actually bought it, and I kind of steal it from her every so often. I just love the smell of it if I can get it open. Oh, so good. It's supposed to smell like honey lemon, and that's definitely what it smells like. It smells more lemony than honey. I don't think lemony is a word, but for my sake, it is. Next, we have the Sassy Roma. Now this is what you can get if you sign up this month, so we only have a couple more days if you want to get this. It's a foaming hand soap. It smells like sweet orchid citrus, and let's see, that smells really good. I can't wait to use this. I don't think I can put this in samples, so I'm sorry. But if you do want to smell it or try it out, you can always just sign up for a low $99 price for $250 worth of stuff. But it smells like oranges, and I'm excited to use that in the bath. Now, next we have the Stay Gold Moisturizing Face Mask. That looks really cool. I've seen it and have not tried it yet. Ew. And it looks like gold coming out. And it smells really good. It has milk, honey, lemon. It's just full of stuff. It hydrates, smooths, brightens your face. You're supposed to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. More information on this coming in 3, 2, 1. Next we have, sample. These are just empty sample containers. So if any of these little samples that you want to try out, I'll just put them in here and send them off your way so you can try them out for yourself. Now let's see. Ooh. The All Fall Down Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream. It really does. It's a crisp autumn delight of pear and cranberry. And what else I got? Plum Luck. This is a warm spice, clove, and cinnamon with a hint of plum. This is a body butter. Ooh. Yeah, I would more say that that's more of a spice clove than a plum, but it smells really good. Let's see. Ooh, that feels really good on my hands, and hopefully there's nothing else I want to try, because now my hands smell like spicy cloves. And so the information for that is coming up right now. Next we'll have the Offshore Restore hair mask. It's a deep conditioner, and if you're as curious as I am, see, it comes out kind of like toothpaste. It's kind of what it looks like to me, but it smells so good. It smells good. I'll definitely be using that. It restores, replenishes, moisturizer. It adds a shine to your hair, and so you can stop hearing me, here's more information about this product. What else I have in my box? The Cool Your Soul Cooling Foot Balm. This is for if you have cracked feet, you just need a little bit more soothness to your feet. If you really need a boost, though, you can always put a good amount on your feet and then put your socks on and then go to bed. And it'll do its magic while you're sleeping on top, but kind of comes out thicker, but it smells like mint, and that smells really good. I will probably have my fiance put this on my feet once he gets back. Sorry, Chris. But ooh, smells really good. If you want to try that out, I can put it in my sample and you can try it out. And so here's some more information about this product in case you are a little bit more curious about it. Let's see what else I got in my kit. It's the Bee's Knee Shea Body and Sea Salt Body Scrub. It has a nice protective. Ooh. Smells good. You can definitely feel the salt in there, which is probably good for scrubbing and whatnot. Yeah, I'm really excited to use this. See, you can kind of see the bumps in there. Well, if you want any samples, the information on this is going to pop up right now. See what else I got in my kit. The Hot Pepper Shebang Muscle Stick. This is good for if your muscles are hurting, to just rub on there. Actually, I'll show you what it looks like. This spicy, and it just rolls on like that, and it's not really greasy, so feels nice on the skin. The information on that is right here. Next we move on to the Ritual. This is a deep cleansing and clarifying I Deserve It Posh face mask. This is what all consultants get. It's actually a fun little thing they do. We are supposed to put this on our face and take a picture of it and put it on Posh and say why we chose to do Posh, which I will do that tonight along with, ooh, it's pink, it's so pretty. On to the next product. Moisturizer 911, a light daily moisturizer with tightening caffeine and brightening vitamin C. I'm thinking since it smells like vitamin C, maybe it smells like orange or something like that. There's no added color or fragrance, so that's good. Yeah, it's a white look to it. And it does smell like oranges. It smells really good. This will probably be one of my favorite products. The information on this is going to be coming up right now. Next product is Orange Caramello Sugar Lip Scrub. I'm guessing that it probably smells like orange. Actually, it kind of smells like, to me, it smells like those creamsicle popsicles. It smells really good. Ooh, and it goes on so smooth. I love how it feels. Not trying to be weird or anything. Just I love it. I'll be keeping this in my purse since I probably can't give any samples of it. Sorry. But yeah, there's that. And the next product is the Dapper On Wildcrafted California Face Balm. This is for dry skin. It's kind of like lip balm, but with all the lotion on my hand, I'm having a hard time opening it. Yeah, I'll put the information about it up though, even though I can't open it. I'm excited to use that though, because my face, especially during the winter, gets dry, and I don't know, I'm excited to see how this works. Next, we have the Posh bag. Slightly already open, but that doesn't matter. That's sweet. I can put my samples in it, or even products that I maybe can't make into samples, like the orange caramello. So I can just carry that around and people will know I am a consultant. That's really neat. Last but not least, I have a bunch of Posh stuff, like papers. This is for if people want to start being a Posh consultant. That's always good, so you don't have to be on the computer. You can just flip through that. So if you're interested in becoming a consultant, please let me know. There's the scrubs and snarky bars information. This kind of helps tell you what's in snarky bars and scrubs. It's good things that are in it, so it's always good to know what's inside your products. Next are a stack of magazines. This is always good. I know there was a couple of people when I was selling my products who wanted to thumb through their stuff instead of having to look online to see, because it can get really complicated. You can look at something and accidentally press back, so having an actual magazine is nice. So if you want a magazine, I can send you one. And also a whole little baggie full of stuff, all about the ingredients. It has checklists that you need to kind of know where you're at and what you'll be receiving for each milestone that you get to. There's order forms in case you are having a party and you could just write it down instead of having to go on the internet to do it, so that's nice. Little pin. This is cute. Perfectly Posh crochet. I'll probably put that either on my shirt or my bag. There's Welcome to Pampering Pursuit. And then there are sample stickers. So that way, if I do send you a sample, you'll know what you're sampling instead of just going, this is pumpkin. Maybe it's this Smashing Good Pumpkins, or you'll know just from that. The Try Me, that's nice. And then the starting guide. So I'll be excited to look through that and see what I need to do to be a good Posh consultant. So I think we are done in here. I love all my products. I'm excited to get started. And if you need any samples, please let me know. Message me, anything, any way to get a hold of me. I really appreciate for you watching my video, and I hope you have a poshly good day. Bye.